Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a glitter glue tutorial. So if you are not yet subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button. It does help. I'm trying to get to 500. So give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment section, what you like and what you don't like. We now do, let's go straight into the video. So I'm starting off by priming my eyebrows with this Pond Lasting Oil Primer, since it helps controls oil in my brow area. And I'm lining my brows with Davis number 3 eye pencil. So I start filling up from the inner corner. I'm drawing a hair-like structure, so when I get to the outer corner, I take a lighter stroke. After that, I use a spoolie to comb it all out. So to line my lower brow, I just got a new foundation, the Zikel Even True foundation. I'm using it as my concealer today, since it's 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, so I decided to use it. We are experimenting, guys, and I see that this foundation is pretty nice. So after I line it, I blend it out with my middle finger. To line my upper brow, I'm going in with my foundation, that's the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Coconut, and I'm lining it with this flat angle brush. So guys, take your time when it comes to your brow. Always saying a brow can make your makeup or break your makeup. So after that, I clean it up with my middle finger, so that when I'm applying foundation later, it won't be an issue. So I go back in with the Zikel Even True foundation. I'm blending it out with my middle finger. I'm using this as my eyeshadow base. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm going in with this V Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm just tapping that red shade in and building it. So to blend in my first transition color, I'm going in with this deep red, and I'm using a circular motion, using a lighter stroke so that it will not give me any harsh lines. So I blend. So for what will keep my chunky glitter in place, I'm using this classic eyelash glue. Yeah, you heard me, girls. I'm using the eyelash glue as my glitter glue, and I'm applying it all over the areas I want to apply the chunky glitters. And guys, it really did hold the glitter like all day. I used this makeup all day, so it lasted all day. So I'm using this flat brush I use for to line my lower brow. I'm using it to pat in the chunky glitters. So for I'm lining my brows now. I've forgotten the name of this brow liner, but it will be in the description box. And guys, it's not easy to line your brow with the chunky glitter on, so if you can do this before the chunky glitter, that's okay. So I'm now fixing my eyelash, my favorite part of makeup, because it does promote the whole look. I'm now moisturizing. Guys, I'm always emphasizing moisturize your face before you apply any other thing. I'm going back with that Pond Lasting Oil Primer. I'm applying it all over my face, since I produce oil all over my face. And guys, I noticed that my face these days is getting darker, so I had to buy that black oil foundation to mix with my Maybelline Superstay, so that it will give me a perfect blend. So I'm applying this with that flat brush all over my face. I'm mixing the two foundation. I'm now blending it in with my damp beauty blender. Guys, please, the beauty blender should be damp, should not be wet. You squeeze out all the water, then you dab it you apply it in a dabbing motion. Just dab, tap, so that you have a good coverage. You should not drag, don't drag your foundation. So I'm going back in with that Zikel Even True foundation, and I'm using it as my concealer, I've told you. So I'm applying it beneath my eyes, bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And I'm blending it out too with the same damn beauty blender. So guys, take your time while you are blending. Blend using a dabbing motion. And don't drag your concealer all over the place, because you want it to stay where you applied. You don't want to drag it all over your face, so that your face will not be lighter than the rest of your body. So for my setting powder, my highlight, and other good stuff, I'm going in with this Avour professional eyeshadow palette, and I'm using a brush today to set all the highlighted part of my face. I didn't bake today. I've never baked actually. So I'm using this, I'm pressing it in all over my highlighted area. So I go back in with my finishing powder and use it to buff all over my face. And guys, please don't forget to blend in your neck. Blend in your neck. So for my contour, I'm going in with a smaller brush. I'm using still that same Avour professional powder palette. I put it in, dapping the excess, then apply it using a circular motion so that it will not have any harsh lines. And guys, please contour your forehead too. It's actually very important if you don't want to look like you have a mask on. For my nose contour, I'm going in with a smaller brush and I start beneath my eyebrow, going that, then blend it downward. So for to line my waterline, I'm going in with this black gel liner, and I think this actually promotes the entire eye look because to make your eye look sultry now. So to blow out my under eye, I'm going back with that second transition shade to blow out my under eye area. And guys, sorry, I didn't know that I was blocking the camera with my mirror. So I'm now applying mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm setting my entire face with the classic mist and fix setting spray, and I let it dry up. When it's still a little bit wet, I go in with my highlighter and I'm highlighting the tip of my nose. I blend the bridge of my nose. I blend my cubic bow. Guys, please don't drag this all over your mouth area. It just be your cubic bow and my brow bone area. So I'm applying a blush today. Yes, I'm applying an orange blush. Guys, orange blush is so beautiful with women of color, so you should try it. So I'm applying this because I wanted an extra color on my face. Then I go back in with my highlighter. I apply it on the area I applied my blush, just that same area. So I went back in with my setting powder to dab the highlighter so that it will not look too shiny. I want everything to be blended in today. So for my lips today, I'm going in with this purple shade, this light purple from the classic cosmetics. And guys, I'm always saying, as you blended your foundation, you blended in your eyeshadow, please do well to blend in your lips too, because you don't want to look like you have a concrete on your mouth from one color bam to the other. Blend it in. Take your time to blend it in. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you learned something from it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Anything you think I could improve. And don't forget to share the video. Guys, please help me. I'm trying to reach 500. So please don't forget to share the video. Until the next video. Bye.